Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you are fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness. And you have a lot of fun in your life. Friend, this is me Asya, and today I'll show you in this video so stylish and very attractive ideas of low maintenance hairstyles with beautiful haircut. Very attractive and eye-catching hair dye. And so beautiful overall collection in low maintenance hairstyles for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. First of all, I'll talk about hairstyles. Mostly ideas in low maintenance hairstyle, messy hairstyle and spiky hairstyle. And so beautiful ideas of messy hairstyle with undercut. And spiky hairstyles with undercut. So attractive collection of hair dye. Blonde hair dye, different shade of blonde. Lightly blonde, dark blonde, ash blonde, gold blonde. And so beautiful ideas of burgundy hair dye. Light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color. And some ideas, highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in funky colors. So beautiful collection of haircut. Haircut in pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut, different type of cut, some ideas layered, deep layered, step, and so beautiful overall collection. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish. And you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others, and please fully support me. Support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this and share it your all over social media accounts. So friend, thank you so much. You're watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll write back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.